Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold and I'm at 7467 Schreiner Street in Sacramento. This value-priced home has great amenities which I love to share with you today. So come take a look with me. This is an amazing home. So if you're looking for your first home, or maybe downsizing to a home, or maybe possibly an investment home, this home is perfect for you. So if you'd like more information or would like to see this house in person, please contact me anytime at 916-798-9417. Again, Mike Sandoval, and I'll catch you next time.